Hey there! If you're in the mood for something filling, delicious, and actually balanced too, you're gonna love this dish. It's a classic potato and meat casserole loaded with protein, good carbs, and just the right amount of creaminess. Super comforting and perfect after a long day. Let's cook. For this recipe, we need 500 grams of ground beef and pork, approximately 600 grams of potatoes, 1 large grated carrot, 100 grams of frozen peas, 100 grams of grated cheese or mozzarella, 50 grams of butter, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a few tablespoons of olive oil, 100 to 200 milliliters of tomato sauce, 200 milliliters of cooking cream, 2 eggs, thyme, salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, pepper, and smoked paprika. First, we take care of the potatoes. Place a pot on the stove and add a pinch of salt. When the water starts to boil, add the unpeeled potatoes for better flavor. Cover with a lid to speed up the cooking process. Once boiled, remove the potatoes and let them cool. Meanwhile, we prepare the meat. In a pan, add olive oil. Then, add the chopped onion and grated carrot, sautéing them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, add the garlic, soy sauce, and meat, cooking until browned. Pour in the tomato sauce, paprika, and thyme. Finally, add the peas and let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. After 3 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and start preparing the sour cream sauce. For the sour cream sauce, mix the cooking cream with the eggs and salt, then whisk until smooth. Next, slice the cooled potatoes into thin rounds after peeling them. Once sliced, take a heat-resistant dish and grease it well with butter. Start layering. First layer, potatoes. Second layer, meat. Third layer, shredded cheese. Fourth layer, potatoes. Fifth layer, meat. Pour the sour cream mixture over the entire surface. Finish with a final layer of shredded cheese. Finally, bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 35 minutes until golden and bubbling. This was my recipe for today. Ideal for people with moderate or intense physical activity, those looking for a balance between satiety, taste, and protein intake, as well as for families or weekend meals. Enjoy your meal.